Hello and welcome to Dance Styles. My name is Ms. Grise and I'm the one who teaches Dance Styles. Dance Styles is an introductory class designed to teach students several different dance genres. Upon completion of the course, the students should have a basic knowledge of tap, jazz, and ballet fundamentals. This course is intended for a beginning dance student and requires no previous dance training. Students will be introduced to the different dance genres through both warm-up exercises and steps across the floor. Center combinations will also be taught. These routines will be composed of different elements from the warm-up and the across-the-floor sequences. Students will also be quizzed throughout the term on dance terminology and body positions. Student grades in this class are based on individual effort and technical proficiency. Student participation grades include class attendance and participation, their technical advancement, the ability to learn steps and choreography, and their ability to maintain a professional attitude. Student grades in this class are based on individual effort and technical proficiency. Daily student participation grades include class attendance and participation, as well as their technical advancement and ability to learn steps in the choreography taught in class, and also their ability to maintain a professional attitude. The students may earn a possible 10 points per day, and generally they do earn the 10 points per day. Failure to attend class or participate in class will result in a loss of participation points. Approximately once a week, students will be required to learn terminology and given quizzes on that terminology. These quizzes will be done in applications that include Quizzes, which is an interactive quiz game, Edpuzzle, which asks the student to watch videos and then provide responses based on those videos, or they may be asked to do a Flipgrid, where they actually do the movements and video them in this program. They will then complete those assignments and quizzes and then upload them to Schoology for a grade. The goal of the course is to provide exercise for students and to have them learn about the basic histories and body positions of the different dance genres of tap, jazz, and ballet.